Hello everyone, welcome back to the Angular Live project. In this video, we will do a setup for Angular 8 project, and in the coming videos, we will create the login and the registration screen in the Angular 8. So let's see how we can do a Angular 8 project setup. So before that, we have to install the Visual Studio as we have discussed before, and apart from this one, we have to install the Angular CLI, and like we have to install the Node.js that you can install from here, and I recommend you please download the LTS version, and you can install it on your machine. So after installing this one, like what we have to do, we have to open the command prompt, and through that command prompt we can create the Angular 8 project. So in this project I'm going to create the Angular 8 project. So what I will do, I can open the cmd command from here, and after opening the cmd command, now I will create the Angular 8 project. So for creating an Angular 8 project, we do all the things using the command. So the command which is used to create the Angular 8 project is ng new, and then project name we have to give. So what I'm going to give, I'm going to give as a student management, and after that let's hit enter, and then it will ask for the CSS, like what kind of the CSS we have to like select, either normal CSS or less or SCC. So what kind of the CSS? Before that it asks for the routing, like if you want to like add the routing to the project or not. If you are using version of the Angular less than 7, then it doesn't ask this question and it doesn't create the routing for the project. But after the Angular 7 version, this is the new feature added where it asks like, do you want to add the routing? So I want to add the routing, so I will give the yes, and then it is asking for the CSS. So I am going for the normal CSS. If you want to select any other CSS, then up and down key you can use. So I am going to select normal CSS, then hit enter. So once I will hit enter, it take a few minutes to create the project as per the system configuration. So we have to wait for the some time to, once it will install, then it will create the Angular 8 project, and then we will see like how we open that particular project in the Visual Studio. So we can see now like it has created a project for us, and if we will go to here, like let's minimize it, and we can see like here currently we are looking, and if I will open, it has created project for us. Now let's open this code into the Visual Studio Code. So for that one, first we have to go to this respective directory, like this is student management. So for that one, let's go to the directory first, and after that, for opening this code into the Visual Studio Code, where we have to write it like code, and then we have put enter and hit enter. So after like typing code and dot, it will open this respective project into the Visual Studio Code. So for opening the code into the Visual Studio, it will take a few seconds to open that one as per our system configuration. So currently we can see like it is opening that project into the Visual Studio Code. So now we can see like it opened this project in Visual Studio Code. Now and let's open this src folder, because this is the main part of this project. So here we can see like it has the folder as app, then asset, so the respective things it added here. And let's open this project into the browser. So let's click on new terminal, and in the new terminal, what command we have to give for opening this project? We have to give a command as ng ser and -o. So it will open this project into the browser. So for that one, it will take a few seconds, because it will do the compilation first, then it will open this project on the browser. So it is compiling the project, we can see here, and then in couple of seconds it will open this project into the browser. So we can see now like the compilation has started. So it's a 11% at point of this time, we can see here. Now it is 50%. So we can see like compile successfully. Now it will open this project into the browser, and we can see like it is opening on the port number 4200. So once it will open, we will see a page like this. Like currently it is opening like student management app is running, and that it is coming from the default page, and that is app.component.html. so that we can see like it is coming from here, like all the code, all the UI code is written here. So in the coming video we will do a setup for the CSS, and we will design our registration page first. So that's it for this video. Thank you.